Hello and welcome to Play for All. I'm so glad that you're here, that you've decided to continue learning and growing and bringing new experiences to your classroom for your students. So you rock. My name's Gary Heimbauer. I'm the founder of PAL Music and I'm going to be your guide throughout this course. These apps really are a dream come true for any teacher helping their kids to learn how to sing and play chords along with their favorite songs on guitar and uke, and even as an ensemble with other instruments like bass, drums, keys, or whatever else. The customization features are endless. You can change the key, the tempo, the arrangement, what you see or don't see on the screen. You can sort songs by chords or genre. There's gamification features, chord recognition, built-in video tutorials in the Academy section, strumming patterns, and so much more. It's everything that you need to teach the song in one place, and the app will do so much of the work for you leading the class to free you up to individualize instruction and help your kids one-on-one. So what's also really spectacular about these apps is that they're not a static resource. They're constantly updating. So unlike a book that you might buy or something you might print out, every week you're gonna have new songs. So once this year's songs go out of style, next year you're gonna have a whole new batch. All you have to do is click update. So what we've done in this course is put together a sequence for teaching chords and songs from complete beginner to intermediate to advanced for not only ukulele and guitar, but also bass, keyboard, drums, and beyond. Along with this sequence, we've highlighted the best ways to use the app in your classroom to meet the needs of your students and to help them go from playing along to playing by themselves. We've also given you some best practices from inside the classroom to help you assess where your students are at and then differentiate from multiple levels. Also included in the curriculum are worksheets, rubrics, assessments, and other supporting materials that you could use with your students. So just to give you a little bit of background about me, I've been teaching popular music to both students and teachers for over 10 years, first at the Day Jams Music Camp, then School of Rock, while earning my degree in music education. Then I worked for the New York City Department of Ed as an elementary general music and band teacher, earned tenure there while getting my master's degree from Columbia in music education. Then in 2014, I became the national training manager and then the director of curriculum for Little Kids Rock. They're a national music ed nonprofit that serves over 500,000 kids, giving them modern band instruments and their teachers free curriculum. So for that job, I got to train music teachers all over the world, really, throughout the United States and Haiti and Australia on how to do popular music, improv, and composition in their classroom. So it was while I was working for Little Kids Rock that I became aware of 4Chords and Ukiyoki, these great apps, and I worked closely with Musopia, the company that designed these apps, on how to make them work really well in a classroom. So they've been adding all sorts of cool features that are great for teachers, like being able to sort songs by chord progression, transpose, change the tempo, and really just make it such a great classroom tool. So what we did is we purchased 500 subscription codes for Little Kids Rock teachers, and I've gotten to see how a lot of them are using it in the classroom. And I also got to use it a lot myself, even at our Rockfest conference, where I had a jam session 2 years in a row with every attendee, over 200 people rocking along with 4Chords. So that was a lot of fun. And as I said, I've been able to see what really works with this app and visit these classrooms and see the way that teachers are incorporating them and some best practices that they've come up with using the apps and how they integrate it into their whole curriculum. So my goal is to share with you everything I've learned over the last couple of years using these apps so you could have the same kind of success that I've had and the teachers that I've worked with have had in your own classroom. We'll see you on the inside.